Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Now on to lot number 68, which is a lovely blue Honda Zoomer. €1,850, 2007 bike with 13,904 miles on the clock. Condition of the bike is very good. I'm just going to flick through as fast as possible. You can take a look as we go. From the front onto the centre of the bike and further onto the rear on this right hand side. Moving on to the left hand side then, again we'll start at the front, move on to the centre of the bike, then onto the rear, little mark here on the sticker on Zoomer, on the rear some side rusting on the kickstart here, that's it. So if you are interested in the bike, we are going to be taking €150 deposit to secure the bike for arrival in September. €1,850, 2007 with 13,904 miles on the clock. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like as well as commenting down below what you think of the bike, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.